Hey, what's going on? It's Johnny Grooms, and today I'm going to be doing a little car washing, a little car grooming, if you will. And I got something from Chemical Guys. First time ever using their products. It is Mr. Pink. You load it into your sprayer. I put the soap in here. About 2 ounces it says on the bottle. Let's see. Yeah, 2 ounces of soap into this. This is hooked up to the spigot on the side of my house. Water will go in here mixing the soap. Then I spray the car down, let the foam sit there for about a minute or two to let the dirt lift off the car, and then I just rinse it away and dry it. Once it's clean, I'm gonna be using Rain-X Fast Wax. I use this on my car at least maybe 2-3 times a month during the fall to prep the paint for the winter, so when snow and rain falls on the car, it just beads off and I don't have any water stains on the car, and it also protects the clear coat. You don't want the clear coat to get deteriorated. Snow and ice or the rain, if it sits, any bird mess that falls on the car, all that is kind of like acid to the paint. So waxing, if your car is outdoors and not indoors, I feel is a necessary thing to protect the clear coat. That way your paint doesn't get all messed up. I've had 2 cars where the paint got destroyed because I laxed on waxing and proper maintenance of the body of the car. So with this car, I'm not taking any chances. I just got it. It's like 2 months old and the paint on it is very nice, so I'm looking to keep it that way. Over the spray gun first, I feel. It's got a dial right here. It's got a dial right here to change from full water all the way to soap. It's got different intensities. Right? This tank comes off, just spins right off real quick. You put your soap in here. The water comes through here. It has a little shut-off valve right here, so you can cut the water when you're not spraying, and when you are spraying, of course, cut it back on. The water goes in, fills this up, the soap foams up, and then you just spray your car down. It's got different settings, you know, flat, stream, center, jet, shower. It has like a lock feature with the trigger, so when you go like this, it stays, and then to release it, you just touch it again, and then it'll stop spraying. So right now I'm gonna have the water valve off. Let's get into the Mr. Pink. I already snapped it open. It's got some stuff here on the bottom, so it says to shake well. Okay, it smells like car wash soap. I don't know why I was expecting like kind of like a bubblegum flavor. I don't know why I was expecting like a bubblegum scent or something, but it's not that. It's just, yeah, car wash soap. If you ever go through a car wash and you smell the soap coming out of the car wash, that's it. That's what it smells like. I'm gonna fill it up to the 2 ounce mark right there. And that's 2 ounces. To the side. Maybe now I can get the bottom now that there's more space in here. Okay, we're locked and loaded. I'm gonna go turn the water source on, and then when I get back, I'm just gonna spray the car, and then you can see how it works. Okay, so finished washing and waxing the car. Few things to go over. With the spray nozzle, 2 ounces of soap really didn't get the foam I was looking for. I wanted full coverage, nice fluffy bubbles, a very nice coat of soap over the car. Now, it could have been that there was a nice coat of soap over the car and I just didn't see it because it was watered down and it wasn't too foamy. So, but I wasn't having it. I wanted it the way I wanted it. So I rinsed off the whole car, stopped recording, and then I tweaked a few things with the gun. First thing I noticed that the 2 ounces of soap went very fast, super fast. I got maybe the entire car coated with the soap and it was crystal clear. There was no more soap in this at all. And again, it wasn't foamy or anything like that. So I feel like if there's no bubbles and there's no foam, it's not lifting the dirt off the car. That's just a visual thing. Maybe I'm wrong. But what I did do is I put it up to 3 ounces. I added another ounce of soap into the mixture. Then I put the setting on mist, and that gave me the suds that you saw on the video. Again, it wasn't very fluffy, it wasn't very thick, but it was a lot better than the first time around I did it. It rinsed off really well when it got onto my driveway. It rinsed off the pavement very well and into the street. So right now I don't have any soap residue on my driveway, so that's a big plus. The car smells great, of course. As far as the Rain-X Fast Wax, this is a product that I've been using for a long time. Ever since it came out and I first saw it, I've been buying bottles of it, and you know, it works really, really well. It's very quick. You spray on, you wipe it. You don't have to let it haze over and let it dry and then buff it out. It's wiped and gives a nice slick layer between the elements and that coat of clear coat paint on your car. So that was car grooming with Johnny Grooms. If you like the contents of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.